Hi everyone, here is Leo from JR Google. Today I will show you our customized 500 kg per hour fruit juice processing line. And it's a solution from raw fruit to final plastic bottle package, fully automatic and continuous line. Let's go. Firstly, it's raw fruit cleaning stage. The fruit will enter into brush cleaning machine. Then the fruit will roll in the brush. With the soft brush, will clean the surface, the mud and the impurities. Then the fruit will enter into the water, and it will be fully mixed with the bubble to be cleaned. Then the final cleaned fruit will be lifted into the pulp making part. Secondly, will be mango pulp making part. The mango will enter into the first drum to remove the seeds and skin, and then the second drum it will refine the mango pulp. The final mango pulp will enter into the storage tank and then be pumped into this 500 liters storage tank. This tank will guarantee the continuous running of the concentration process. Thirdly, it will be fruit juice concentration part. This is the first circulation vacuum concentration machine. The fruit juice will be concentrated under low temperature vacuum situation. It will avoid high temperature to cause damage for the juice, will guarantee the nutrition. And then the concentrated juice will be pumped into the mixing part. Firstly, it will be filter and mixing parts. The concentrated juice will first enter into the duplex filter. Then to remove those small impurities, the filter juice will be pumped into the mixing tank to make a different taste of juice. Fifthly is crushing and juice extracting part. The cleaned pineapple will enter into the crushing machine, then through the force feeder pump to enter into juice extracting part. The pineapple residue and juice will be separated. The gap is adjustable to help improve the juice extracting rate. Sixthly, it will be the juice filter parts. The extracted pineapple juice will be pumped into the fine filter to remove the impurities. Then enter into the storage tank for the preparation of concentration. Finally, it will be the juice filling part. The raw bottle will be started, enter into the juice filling machine. It's the hot filling. Then the bottle will come to the capping process. This cap will be lifted here and the bottle will be kept here. Then it's a laser cutting machine. The date and lot number will be printed on the label on the bottle. Then this finally it will be put the label and then collected on the disc. JR Google possesses a 12,000 square meter research and development and manufacturing center and a self-owned food processing laboratory. By working closely with research institutions, we continuously optimize juice processing technology and key parameters, delivering fully customized processing and packing solutions. JR Google not only supply equipment, but also the whole solution from designing, manufacturing, training, delivering, and after-sales service. JR Google to make food production simpler and safer.